Tánaiste, my specific question is, when will the third national strategy to tackle sexual, gender and domestic-based violence be published? It's self-evident why we need it, but I'll just give you one quote from the report carried out by the Department of Justice, which said they found a lack of effective oversight of the implementation of the second strategy, a fragmented approach, lack of action on decades of recommendations. In 1997 we had a task force, here we are in 2023. Specifically, when will the report be published? It was due before the end of last year. We were promised it at the end of April. Now we're into May. Thank you.
Thank you, Deputy. Thomas.
Thanks very much, Deputy. I understand that it's intended to publish the new strategy on the 21st of June. And I take your point entirely that a strategy on its own isn't enough. You have to implement the strategy, and implementation in the past was fragmented, and the Minister is very keen to establish a new dedicated agency to deal with this matter, to deal with the epidemic of gender-based and sexual violence, and believes that the best way to do that is under a new agency which he intends to bring forward.